Of class 7, today I am going to do the revision of the chapter The Secret of the Sea View Cottage. You know, it is a story of adventure and excitement. Mr. Millman, once wealthy scoutmaster, took his boys of Kestrel Patrol. Kestrel means a bird of prey, and patrol means a unit of 6 to 8 scouts or guides, okay, forming a part of a troop. So they all went to the Sea View Cottage for a holiday, and there they had much fun and they had much excitement. What happened? The reputation of the Sea View Cottage was haunted. Everyone knew that the Sea View Cottage was haunted, and the scouts, when they reached there, they were all eager to have excitement. And when they asked about the cottage, that whether the cottage was haunted or not, Mr. Millman nodded with a smile on his lips, and he said that it was a local gossip. But he remembered that when he was young, he used to see some unnatural shadows passing across the windows of the Sea View Cottage. But at the same time, he laughed and he encouraged the boys that they should not be afraid of those things, and they should not meet any ghosts. Now then, Bob Willis, one boy of the group, and Jimmy Wright, they decided that they would go down to the cottage to explore whether there were any ghosts or not. Now everyone, then the others, they started discussing about the many funny things, and Gerald Tarbul, they were all discussing about things. Now the scoutmaster, they were having discussions. They were very happy. At that time, the scoutmaster said that they should enjoy themselves. But what happened? Bob Willis just entered into the room, and he was very afraid, and he just taking breath through his open mouth, and he told that he had seen the ghost. Later it was discovered that Jimmy Wright was vanished, and Jimmy Wright had disappeared. Then they went to the upstairs to in search of Jimmy, and they found a room where there was a cupboard, and at the back of the cupboard there was a door, and when the door was opened, there was through the door a series of steps went down, and there was a secret passage, and through that secret passage, Mr. Millman and the boys started walking, and they found out contraband goods, means huge illegal amount of goods. Then they passed the tunnel, and they reached at the end of the tunnel, and there they found Jimmy Wright being tied and gagged. And in the meantime, Gerald Turnbull also discovered one bleached skeleton and treasure in the deep recess of the wall. So they had very great excitement that they had so much interesting things happening. And when they discovered Jimmy Wright, it was also discovered that the Seahawk, I mean the yacht of the scoutmaster of the boys, was stolen. So they decided to follow the smugglers. As it was discovered, the smugglers only came into that house, and they did their transaction through the tunnel. So what happened when they arrived, means wanted to chase the smugglers. They followed it, but they were following the yacht, and then they came at the side of the yacht, and from the Seahawk, Captain Strutt, what happened? The captain of the Seahawk, he just greeted them, and the owner of the yacht, means Mr. Millman, asked what was the thing about, what was the captain about the thing, what was going on. And then Captain Strutt said that he was too late, as he had already caught the smugglers, and as he could see that 3 sailors came forward, dragging between them 4 very sorry looking men, and as they were the smugglers. And Mr. Millman also told that when he saw the Seahawk being stolen, he just followed them and he captured them, and he followed them in a boat at high speed. And it was then the smugglers were handed over to Mr. Millman. Mr. Millman told that they should be kept in watch for that night, and later in the morning he would be handing over to them to the police. And what happened? The secrets of the Seaview Cottage were revealed. One secret was that it was a den of the smugglers, and number two, there were no ghosts at all. So the big yacht means they were ready to sell the big yacht as the expenses were much, but the Sea Scouts receive a goodly sum of money when the government gave them half of the treasure which they had discovered. Uh, so so they bought the yacht, and and finally the Seaview Cottage was now known as the Smuggler's Cottage, and the smartest little place one could wish for. So the first question, that where did the boys of the Kestrel Patrol go? The boys of the Kestrel Patrol went to a tiny cottage which had the names The Secret of Seaview Cottage, a few yards from the deserted beach. And why the scout group was named what is Kestrel Patrol? Kestrel Patrol is the group of boys who was headed by Mr. Millman. What did they try to find after they went to the place? The boys wanted to find a general means of, they searched over a wide area but for food and provisions, and the scoutmaster and the boys enjoyed the meal. So what was the gossip about Seaview Cottage? There was a gossip about Seaview Cottage that it was a haunted house and there lived some ghosts. And Mr. Millman also told that he used to see some weird shadows or unnatural shadows passing across the windows of Seaview Cottage. But he also assured the boys not to worry, as it was a story, and he said they would not meet any ghosts. What did Bob Willis and Jimmy Wright want to do? Bob Willis and Jimmy Wright wanted to meet the ghosts, and as a result they wanted to explore the cottage, and so they went out to visit and see the different areas of Seaview Cottage. What happened to Gerald Turnbull? What happened to Jimmy Wright? Gerald Turnbull and other boys were discussing about the ghost, and in the meantime Bob Willis fell into the room, and Bob Willis just took the breath with open mouth, and he said that Jimmy Wright had vanished as there were ghosts in the upper room. Now